नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई JVN डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Assistant Professor in Management Department. In today session, we are going about discuss the presentation of project, and in this subject project management. So let's start the topic presentation of project management. The presentation is for explaining your project, both the product and the process to the evaluator, and the presentation complements the project and documentation and the product demo. In such a case, the presentation creates the first impression of your project in the mind of the evaluator. Now, project presentations use MS PowerPoint and mail to this at the rate and the gmail.com and वगैरह and PPT file, and next all animations and videos and YouTube and the likes please वगैरह, and each individuals and will have 6+1 minutes and 4 questions, and time limits will be enforced and 1 slides per minute, and final reports up to 5 pages by December 15 midnights when वगैरह, and or attach name file CS 700 and last name .pdf. Now subject CS and 700 final report and final project slides. This has to fit into 6 minutes, and slide with file and title, and slide with problems, statements and data samples, and slides with analysis and techniques. Next, and slides with results and observations and conclusions, and about 1 slide per minute. Problem descriptions. Be specific about the problem and the data used, and motivate why you choose it, and either problem or the technique might not be from the topic discussed in the class, and say why you choose the problem. For work related, personal interest and other research related, and if the technique you choose was related to the techniques, and convert in class, and discuss the extensions and motivations from them. Now let's discuss the project screening. A project screening is a preliminary assignments or examinations of the project and suitability for the selection, and application process or development and methodology that evaluates or investigators a large number of projects and candidates to identify the opportunity to obtain an idea of whether the additional time and efforts consuming for further business case and development is resolvable. The project screening may conduct by different procedures and methods to compare the strengths and weakness. Now, screening of the project at the time and for firstly and project is the first defined. The first and in the some case and the last proposed for assign an environmental impact is a screening of the project from an environmental point of view. The screening and would normally consist of meeting and between planner of the forestry project and relevant and government officials and environmental potentials and natural resources and public health and social affairs and then etc. At the meeting, at the likely and biophysical and socio-economic impact of the project and would be discussed. And for the regulatory steps, and if any would be decided and depending on the circumstance. The meeting could be attended by the independent and experts and for examples and wildlife and experts from universities or research and center if the forestry and project happens to be in or near particularly and sensitively and wildlife areas. Sorry. The screen might and take the form of a run and throw of a list of potential and impacts such as the ones and provided in appendix 1 and 2 and thirds of those and guidelines. At this stage, an appendix first, one is the checklist and for the preliminary and assessment of environmental impact and would be used and simply as a added memories and primarily for the items and listed under affected and the library and modified or new structures or institutions. Now, the outcome of the screening and that is the that is the reached and would ordinarily and we start in the initial project plan. In the case of paragraph under and special and concentration in the project document, the statement would be to effect that either the first one is the project and purpose has no likely and harmful impact. For example, a survey of forests and resources are small experimental and plantations and number of weather and environmental action is required. Now, and other than and routine environmental and pressures and during the executions of the project, and such as avoiding and under and uh, distributions of the wildlife and in the course of investing forest resource. Now second is certain environmental and aspects of the projects are properly known and unknown, and a more systematic assessment is needed by means of preliminary assessment of the impact. Now third is the project has one or several specific impacts. These These impacts can be prevented or mitigated and by the monas and of a revision of the project decision design or by means of an environmental and monitoring program and phase over the implementations of the project. Next, the project is such and environmentally and sensitivity and areas has an invisible and massive impact or the failures are to maximize and benefits that are detailed. Formal and assignments of impact is required, and detailed assessment is designed and primarily to consider an alternative sites or development methods and to weight and more accurately socioeconomic benefits against environmental losses. And thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.